normal sales transactions can be recorded in the sales module. You can only sell items when they have sufficient balance, meaning when you run out of stock of certain items, you can no longer sell them unless you specifically enable that feature in the item settings. In the sales module, up top is the transaction details. Below that are the sales details, which are the customer name, payment type, and credit balance. Then below is the item details grid, which is where you will be recording the items sold. You can also add a discount and enter any down payment. If customers later on return some items, simply record these transactions in the sales return module, which is found in the releasing section